Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to use a diode or Zener diode as a heat sensor. So this is very useful for using for high responsive and higher temperature range where temperature is very high. So for that, here I am using a LM358 and 10 kilo ohm potentiometer for adjusting the sensitivity of the sensor. So here I am connecting the middle pin of this potentiometer at pin number 6. So here, because I'm using a second op amp of this LM358, so that's why I'm using pin number 5 for sensing the sensor value. So for making the voltage difference, I'm using a 100 ohm resistor at pin number 5 and ground, so that we can make a voltage difference, so that we can compare the voltage by potentiometer. Now here you can see I'm connecting the pin number 5. So after this I'm using a LED for output status purpose, which will connect at pin number 7 in the positive pin, and negative of the LED will connect at negative, which is the pin number 4 of the LM358, and in the series of 470 ohm resistor to limit the current for LED. So the circuit of this sensor will connect will be provided in the description. You can also check. And here I'm using two kind of diodes. One is the general purpose rectifier diode 1N4007. So here I'm using this diode as pin number. Here you can see the silver point, which is the negative of this diode, will connect at pin number 5, and the positive will be connected at diode's negative portion. So here you can see the pin number 5, which is the sensing pin of this circuit. So the circuit is completed, and now we have to check this with my power supply, which is the 5-volt input to this circuit. Now you can see the LED is glowing, as we have to adjust the potentiometer at that level so that the LED will turns off, and you can see at just to turn off by rotating the potentiometer. So at that moment the sensitivity is very high when the diode is heated very little bit, so that the LED will glow. So here for the heating I'm using a solder iron. Now you can see the LED turns on when I heat the diode. So the response time is very accurately working, and it's very useful for using at higher temperature range where NTC will might fails. Now here I'm using again the other diode, which is the Zener diode, and the negative circle of this diode will connect at VCC input, which is the pin number 8, and other pin will connect at pin number 5, which is the input pin. Now again we have to test this circuit. So in this circuit basically I am showing the using of this rectifier diode and Zener diode as a heating sensor, so that it can be used very useful for any kind of project where temperature related sensor is used. So again you can see the sensitivity of this Zener diode is also very high. So this is today's video of this heat sensor. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.